Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Let's have a little bit of fun with some chocolate and a little ruler, and we're going to do some decorations. I have a little piece of plastic here. This is food grade plastic. Just place that down. Go, that's enough. I'm just gonna push this all out. Okay. And we're gonna take our ruler and just do some squiggly lines. That's good. Get underneath. There we go. You can see what it looks like. So I'll just put it there, and I'm just going to let that harden, and then I'll come back. So here's our little chocolate decorations. Now what I did was I let it completely set up, and then I put it in the fridge for only 10 minutes. So let's see. You can see that it's actually pretty rigid. And look at this. Isn't that neat? And just pull it away, and look at this. Look at all the little pieces you have here. You can add these to cakes, little cupcakes or whatever. You can break them up. You can put them onto ice cream. Look at this. Isn't that neat? Super nice little decorations with minimal work to create them. Alright, I just cleaned up and I put these onto a white plate so that you could see a little bit of contrast, and I am using some tweezers here. Because this chocolate is not tempered, if I touch it, it's going to start to melt. Now, you can see how nicely that these are keeping their shape. If you keep them in a cool room, you won't have to put them into the fridge, and you can just put them onto your little cakes or cupcakes, or just break them up and put them into ice cream, which is awesome as well. If you want to make them a little bit harder, just pop them into the fridge before using them for about 10 minutes. But you can see how easy this was to create. So to create this effect, I used a simple cake comb, which you can find on Amazon. You can find the plastic strips as well on Amazon. I'm going to look up the exact wording on Amazon so that it'll be easier to find, and I'll put that on the screen. So that's it, a really fun and fast video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.